We all love a nice outdoor walk alone or with our pets, but we often forget how much dust and microbes we bring back home right onto our floors. This can be harmful, especially for kids and pets who play and crawl on those surfaces. So this is Teddy, happily returning home from his walk and aware that his paws and our shoes are carrying invisible microbes like Salmonella and Staphy. These germs can cause skin infections, breathing issues and stomach problems, especially for kids and pets who play on the floor. That's why regular effective cleaning is crucial. The Teendow D20s Max Plus is the perfect solution, pet safe, powerful and keeps your floor spotless without the hassle. Welcome back to our channel. I'm B from doc.online.progress and today's video is all about the Teendow D20s Max Plus robot vacuum mop cleaner and pet groomer. For those who don't know, Teendow is a well-known company based in Hong Kong, driven by the vision of bringing cutting-edge technology into every home. They offer a huge variety of products which you can easily explore their official website, Teendow.com. Plus, they provide worldwide delivery with free shipping. How amazing is that? But enough talk, let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Inside you'll find two more boxes, one holds the main part of the machine and the other contains all the accessories. I really appreciated the double packaging and the care with which everything was placed inside the box. It clearly shows how well structured Teendow's shipping method is, giving you peace of mind no matter where you live in the world. You can expect your order to arrive safe and in perfect condition. The bigger box contains the main components of the vacuum, like the auto-emptying charging base, the robot itself, and other key parts. Everything has a clean, sleek look and gives off a real sense of high-quality materials. Its piece was individually wrapped in its own plastic bag, which kept everything perfectly protected, no scratches, no damage at all. In the second box, you'll find all the accessories you need from grooming your pet, like the combs, a brush and two different sizes of hair clippers. As mentioned earlier, the Teendow D20s Max Plus isn't just about keeping your floor spotless. It also helps you take care of your fur friend, making the true all-in-one solution for a cleaner, happier home. So one of the standout features of the Teendow D20s Max Plus is the impressive variety of grooming accessories that come in the box. From different sized hair clippers to a sturdy brushed comb, everything is designed to make pet care as convenient and effective as possible right at home. And what's even more impressive is the clever design of the base station. It doesn't just serve as a charging hoop for the robot vacuum, it actually transforms into a fully portable grooming station so you can move it whether your pet feels most comfortable. This dual functionality makes the Teendow D20s Max Plus a fantastic choice for households with pets. You're not only keeping your floors clean, but you're also caring for your furry friend, all with the same product. It's efficient, space-saving and thoughtfully designed. But what really sets this model apart is its smart technology. The Teendow D20s Max Plus equipped with an advanced navigation system that allows it to move with precision around your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring complete floor coverage. On top of that, the vacuum can be controlled directly from the dedicated Teendow app. From the app, you can schedule cleanings, choose different modes, or even set it to specific rooms. So whether you're at home or away, you can manage everything from your phone. The package also includes detailed manuals and a quick start guide that explain all the functions clearly. This makes it super easy for anyone to set up and start enjoying the benefits of this great product right away. Checking closer the charging base, it's clear that this isn't just your average dock. It's a smart multifunction unit designed for both convenience and versatility. It features a powerful suction system that automatically empties the robot vacuum's dust bin into a built-in sealed container, keeping both your hands in the air free from dust and allergens. One section of the base serves as the docking and charging point, while another houses the internal dust storage and motor system. But what truly sets this base apart is its ability to transform into a portable pet grooming station. With just a simple detachment, it becomes a handheld grooming unit that connects to various included tools like clippers, a comb and a brush, make it not just a cleaning device but a full service care system for your home and your pet. Keep in mind that before the first use, the system requires a full charge of about 4 to 6 hours, otherwise it won't start, so make sure to charge it completely to get things running smoothly. One of the things I appreciated the most about this product is how incredibly easy it is to use. Everything feels intuitive and user-friendly, even if it's your first time trying a multifunctional device like this. I had no trouble switching between the different grooming tools, starting with a nozzle, which I use to quickly vacuum up any loose fur and debris. It even offers 3 different suction levels, so you can easily adjust the power depending on what you're cleaning, whether it's light dust or more stubborn messes. First, I used the comb and hair clippers that come with two different size guards, which made grooming my dog Teddy super simple. I especially liked how smoothly the clipper ran through his fur, it didn't tag or scare him at all. And speaking of comfort, the machine isn't loud at all. That's a huge plus for any pet owner because noise can easily stress out our furry friends. Teddy actually stayed calm the entire time, which made the grooming session feel more like bonding than a chore. I even used the pet food brush to clean Teddy's feet after our walk, such a small touch, but it really makes a big difference when you're trying to keep your floors clean. Having all these features in one device is honestly a game changer. It's not just about cleaning the house anymore. This is a smart, all-in-one solution to take care of my pet too after we come back from a walk. Now let's take a closer look at the heart of this system, the robot vacuum and mop unit itself. First off, the design is sleek and modern with a glossy finish that gives it a high-end look. It's definitely a product that feels as good as it looks, aesthetically gorgeous and well built. Keep in mind that the robot needs to dock on the charging base to recharge, and before you first use, don't forget to remove all the protective strips placed around the wheels and sensors. It's a small but important step to make sure everything runs smoothly. Inside, the robot is equipped with separate compartments for the water tank, the dust tank and the filter system, each of which is easy to access and refill or clean. The water tank allows for mopping as it vacuums, giving you a true 2-in-1 cleaning experience. The dustbin is generally sized, and the multi-layer filter system ensures that fine particles and allergens get trapped properly, which is great for homes with pet or allergies. In terms of performance, this product packs a punch. It uses 6,000 pascals of suction power, which is seriously impressive for a robot vacuum. Whether it's just pet hair or small debris, it lifts everything efficiently while simultaneously mopping the floors in a very promising and effective way. Managing this vacuum is a breeze with the Teendow app, which brings all its powerful features to your fingertips. Installing the app is incredibly simple, just scan the QR code found in the manual on the box. From there, you can download the Teendow app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. After entering a few basic details and connecting to your home Wi-Fi, the setup is complete and your robot is ready to go. The app's interface is clean, intuitive and packed with functionality. You can choose between vacuuming, mopping or doing both at once, depending on your needs. There's even a quiet mode, perfect for light cleaning without the extra noise. One of the most impressive features is the smart mapping system. The robot navigates your home, creates a digital floor plan and saves it for future cleaning sessions. You can clean the entire house or just select specific rooms all from your phone. Where this robot really shines is in its smart home integration. It works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant and other voice control systems. You can start the cleaning session while you are out or schedule clinics in advance, so your home is spotless when you return. And the best part, the app walks you through every function with step-by-step tips so you're never left guessing. It's not just user-friendly, it turns the Teendow D20s Max Plus into a complete smart cleaning solution for any modern home. I was really impressed by how well this vacuum performs on carpets. It moves smoothly across the surface, adjusting effortlessly, and it picks up dirt, dust and pet hair with no problem at all. The strong suction power really makes a difference, leaving the carpet looking fresh and deeply cleaned. Also, it didn't bother my dog at all, and that's a huge plus for me. Having a vacuum that's both effective and pet-friendly makes the cleaning experience so much better. Before you start mopping for the first time, remember to fill the water tank. That's an important step to get the best cleaning results. One thing I really appreciate about this robot is how smart it is with furniture. It doesn't just bap into things. Instead, it senses and recognizes furniture pieces, gently turning around them without causing any damage. This makes it perfect for small rooms or cluttered spaces where careful navigation is key. Both the vacuum and mopping functions are impressively efficient. It picks up dust and dirt smoothly and mops the floors without leaving streaks or wet spots. The robot runs quietly and seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about interruptions or it getting stuck. Another great feature is that when the robot finishes its cleaning cycle, it automatically returns to its charging base to recharge itself, so it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Overall, it's a hassle-free experience that gives you clean floors with minimal effort. The Teendow D20s Max Plus stands out as a versatile, innovative solution for both home cleaning and pet care. Its powerful 6,000 pascal suction, smart navigation and 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping capabilities make it a highly efficient cleaning companion. The added bonus of built-in pet grooming tools and quiet operation make it especially pet-friendly. The intuitive app with voice assistant compatibility adds even more convenience to daily use. However, there are a few downsides worth noting, like the absence of a storage pouch for accessories, the need for a 4-6 hour initial charge, and no alert system for refilling the water tank. Additionally, the charging and grooming base is slightly bulky, so you need to plan for space. Still, the overall functionality and thoughtful design easily outweigh these minor drawbacks. If you're interested in trying out this amazing product for yourself, feel free to check the link in the description box or visit the official website. At this point, I would like to say a big thank you to Teendow, their fantastic team, for giving me the opportunity to test the D20s Max Plus and share this review with all of you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest and helpful reviews. Until next time, bye!